Tyler, can you come kill the spider for your cousin? She's scared.
Where? 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 I don't know. We're here. Where? We're here. Where? I don't know. Where?
It went away.
No. Where? 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 Here. Okay, I'm trying now. Oh, it's there. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, I said back up. Stop!
Oh, he's trying to save you from the spider.
See? Don't!
Tyler doesn't want you to touch the spider, Emery.
I got to see a fucking right? Come. Don't touch the spider, kitty.
Ooh. Why are you taking my shoe?
Got the back window off.
You're gonna use my shoe to kill a spider?
Yes.
All right. Can you bring it back when you're done, please?
Sure.
Thanks. What is he doing, Emery? Thanks. You can put my shoe back on my foot now?
I can't power.
You
See?
killed a spider?
See?
Wow, Emery, he killed a spider with my shoe. Isn't that neat?
Yes. About the eyes. Where's my come? Where's the kitty?
She's under the chair. Tyler will show you. Go with Tyler.
Come in there. I think she's under the chair. I said, come. I tell you that. Look at picture animal. See? Got the man. See? Oh, the kid is right here. So find her. And Bobby got the baby iron chick.
What was that?
Look.
What?
Where the kitty walk, alright? Where the kitty walk?
You're gonna let her walk?
Look. Ooh.
What is that?
A mosquito.
A mosquito? What? Come here, Tyler. Can you show the camera? Oh.